Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala Ïathuh da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Usembut Menteri Rangbak Kejela, uba kmi ia katanat kampo ying uba Prestone Tynsong ha ka arp kundai terik uyayong arajar arpsan ulaong ba omdan satya kinong Pakistan kibasa ha Meghalaya bat ula pentip ru ba ka sorkar kalapit ngor bha ia ka jinglong jingman ha khaput bat kari Bangladesh. Habakiran sigilat patay gubor, uba Tynsong ulaong, ba of Chief Secretary Kajala, uba DP Walang, bat ka Director General of Police, kakong Ida Shisha Nongrang, kilay karanru, bat kisipay Border Security Force, halor kanigaman.
No, right now, in fact, everything is in order. And the meeting with the concerned central agencies like BSF and others, we are always in touch, and the state government, the DGP, in the DGP's level, then Chief Secretary's level, we do have a meeting. We are closely monitoring the situation of the international border with Bangladesh, because we knew it, the situation is very, very fluid. So therefore, even from the government side, we have already instructed all the traditional heads, the village authorities, to cooperate with the agencies so that we'll be safe, and then no infiltrator should be allowed at this point of time to enter the boundary of India. We do have a very close meeting with the concerned agencies, I said, be it from the state and be it from the central agencies, and we monitor on 24/7. Okay, we monitor 24/7. In case if anything happen, again we are ready to meet all those challenges. Well, we have discussed about these issues. So there were stretches which is yet to be resolved. And the main issue is about the land issue, where the landowners, sometimes even the village authority, they are against it. Because, if we go as per the plan of the fencing, then the remaining portion of land will be outside the fencing. And if it is outside the fencing, it is more or less treated unofficially as no man's land. So therefore, we are still working out about this portion where the challenges is there, and I'm very sure we will again the concerned respective deputy commissioners, they are working out on this, and they reach out to the landowners and also to the village authority to resolve this issue.